Next chapter, fractions, decimals, rational numbers. Fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In 6th class also there fractions and decimals. Okay, 6th class name is additions of fractions. Okay, fractions convert into decimals, decimals convert into fractions. Now see children, once again introduction. Fraction. What is mean by fraction? Fraction means a part of group of a whole. Fraction means a part of group of a whole. For example, 5 by 13. 5 by 13 is a fraction form. 5 by 13 is a fraction form. In this 5 by 13, 5 is called numerator. That means upper number. The pine number name is numerator. Down number, below number. The kinunde number name is denominator. That means upper number is called numerator. Below number is called denominator. Okay, children. So here 5 is called numerator. 13 is called denominator. Okay, children. So this is the fraction. In this fraction, kinds of fraction. So how many types total? 5 types. First one, proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Next, third one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Next, fourth one, like fraction. Like fraction. Next, fifth one, unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Which is the fractions? 5 types. First one, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. Okay, children. First, proper fraction. What is mean by proper fraction? In which fraction? In which fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. In which fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. Less than denominator. These fractions are called proper fraction. A fraction aithe numerator is less than denominator. Ante numerator takkuva undi denominator ekkuva untundo, that is called proper fraction. Example, 15 by 20. See children, numerator is less than denominator. Ante numerator anedi denominator kante takkuva undi. Okay, so this type of fractions are called proper fraction. Okay, children. Next, improper fraction. In which fractions numerator is greater than the denominator. Greater than the denominator. So the fractions are called improper fraction. For example, 8 by 3. Numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So numerator అనేది denominator కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. This type of fractions are called improper fractions. Next, mixed fraction. This is the combination of whole and proper fraction. Combination of whole number and proper fraction. Whole number and fraction. And a fraction. Example, 3 1 by 7. 3 1 by 7. See children, combination of a whole number and a fraction. So this is the mixed fraction. This type of fractions are called mixed fraction. This first number is called whole number. The name of this number is whole number. And this is 1 by 7 is the fraction. 1 by 7 is the fraction, and this 3 is whole number. So that means combination of whole and a fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay, children. Next, like fractions. In which fractions all denominators are same? In which fractions all denominators are equal. All denominators are equal. That fractions are called like fractions. Example, 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 8 by 7, 4 these fractions are like fractions. Next, unlike fractions, denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. Okay, example 2 by 8, 3 by 7, 4 by 6. These fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, children. So this is the introduction of fractions and decimals and rational numbers. Okay, children. Next, see exercise 1. Children, exercise 1, page number 29. Exercise 1, page number 29. See children, exercise 1. Okay children, see first one. First one. Complete the following and express the result as a mixed fraction. Okay, first one, see 2 plus 3 by 4. See children, how to solve this problem? See, so first one, 2 plus 3 by 4. It is equal. Here denominator is what? So here denominator any number not there means that is 1. That means 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. Here denominators are not equal. Denominators are not equal. See, multiply this both denominators. 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. 1 into 4 equal to 4. Okay children, now అంటే denominators not equal అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఈ 2 denominators ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 2 by 1 into 1 ని ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది, 4 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం అంటే these 4 multiplication with both numerator and denominator, both numerator and denominator ని ఈ 4 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 4 by 4 that is equal how much? Okay, plus next fraction 3 by 4 into 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. 4 ని 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. Both numerator and denominator multiplication with 1. Now see 2 4s are 8 by 4 1s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 by 4 1s are 4. Okay children, now that is equal. See children, now denominators are same. Now take LCM 4. First numerator 8 plus numerator is 3, that is equal 8 plus 3 11 by 4. 11 by 4. So this is proper or improper fraction? Numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. Improper fractions only convert into mixed fractions. So how to convert? See 11 ni 4 to division cheyali. 4 how many times going? 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 3 is the remainder. See children, first here denominator 4 kada, so divisor is the denominator, and quotient is the whole number, remainder is the numerator. Okay children, quotient is the whole number, divisor is the denominator. Okay, quotient is the whole number, remainder is the numerator. So 2 3 by 4 దీన్ని ఎలా రైట్ చేస్తాము? 2 3 by 4, 2 3 by 4. See children, this mixed fraction convert into normal fraction. This mixed fraction convert into normal fraction అంటే ఎలా చేస్తామంటే see children, multiply denominator and whole number. Multiply denominator and whole number. Denominator and whole number multiply. 4 into 2 and numerator 3 by here denominator what? 4. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay children, which is 11 by 4. So now improper fraction convert into mixed అంటే division చేయాలి. Mixed fraction convert into normal fraction అంటే do this process. First multiply denominator into whole number and addition numerator, add numerator. Okay, that is the answer. Okay children, next see one more problem you can understand easily. See one more problem. See second one, 7 by 9 plus 1 by 2. So fractions ni addition cheyalana subtraction cheyalana first observe denominators. Both denominators equal ga untene it is easy to addition. Okay children, so equal lekapothe em cheyalante manam vatni equal ayye process cheyali. So what is that process? Multiply both denominators. Denominators equal ga lekapothe multiply this both denominators, that means 9 into 3 is equal to 27. ఇప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్, ఈ డినామినేటర్ ని 27 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి, ఈ డినామినేటర్ ని 27 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. సో దట్ మీన్స్ 7 by 9 into 3, దట్ మీన్స్ 3 by 3. ఈ 3 ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే బోత్ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ డినామినేటర్ ఒక్కదాన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేయకూడదు, బోత్ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ విత్ 3. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ 1 by 3 into 9 by 9. Okay children, you understand? Now see, 7 3s are 21. Both numerators multiplied, both denominators multiplied. 21 by 9 3s are 27 plus 1 9s are 9 by 3 9s are 27. Okay children, that is equal. Now denominators are same. 27 is the common LCM. That means okay. Now numerator 21 plus 9, that is equal to 21 plus 9 30. 30 by 27. See children, any common number is there? 30 by 27. Any common number is there? See 27. See 3 is the common table. 3 tens are 30. 3 nines are 27. That is equal to 10 by 9. This one convert into mixed fraction. This one convert into mixed fraction. How to convert? To division. 10 division into 9. How many times going? 9 ones are 9. 1. Now that is equal. Whole number is quotient 1. Numerator is remainder 1 by divisor is denominator 1 1 by 9. 1 1 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 9. Okay children, understand? So this is the additions of fractions. Addition of fractions. Fractions ni addition చేయాలన్నా subtract చేయాలన్నా ascending order descending order రాయాలన్నా less than greater than equal to రాయాలన్నా ఫస్ట్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి. డినామినేటర్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా లేకపోతే ఆ డినామినేటర్స్ ని మనం ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో ఈక్వల్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ బోత్ డినామినేటర్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, 9 3s are 27. ఈ 9 27 అవ్వాలంటే 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. కాబట్టి both numerator and denominator multiplication with 3 plus ఈ 3 27 అవ్వాలంటే both numerator and denominator multiplication with 9. Okay children, 21 by 7 3s are 21 by 9 3s are 27 plus 9 1s are 9 by 3 9s are 27. Okay children, so this is the process. Okay, do you understand children? Next, see children, one more problem, third one. Children, 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 minus 4 by 7. See children, solution. Here denominator is there, not there. So take 1. 1 by 1 minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7. Both denominators are not same. రెండు కూడా సేమ్ లేవు, ఈక్వల్ లేవు. సో ఫస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై both denominators. 1 into 7 equal to 7. 1 into 7 equal to 7. Now see, 1 by 1 into 7 by 7. ఈ 1 ఏం చేయాలి? 7 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సో both numerator and denominator multiplication with 7 minus 4 by 7. 7 ని 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. 1 by 1. That is equal to 1 7s are 7 by 7 1s are 7 minus 4 1s are 4 by 7 1s are 7. Okay children, next both denominators are same. 7 is the LCM. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. That is equal 7 minus 4. 3 by 7. Okay children, 3 by 7. This is proper or improper? Numerator is less than denominator. Numerator అనేది denominator కంటే తక్కువగా ఉంది. This is proper fraction. Proper fraction ని మనం mixed fraction లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయలేము children. Only improper fractions can possible. convert into mixed fractions. Okay children, so this is the answer. Okay children, next see sixth one. See children, sixth problem. 2 by 3 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2 3 1 by 2. See children, here both are mixed fraction. This also mixed fraction and this one also mixed fraction. First mixed fraction convert into normal fraction. Mixed fraction convert into normal fraction. How to convert? Multiply denominator and whole number. 3 2s are 6 plus add numerator 2 by 3 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 by 3. Okay children, next 6 plus 2 8 by 3 plus 9 plus 1 10 by 3. Okay children, now both denominators are equal here, so take LCM directly, no need to any multiplication. Now 8 plus this numerator 10, that is called 18 by 3. 18 by 3. See children, how many times going 18 by 3? In 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. That is what 6 is the answer. Okay children, do you understand? Okay, note down. See children, next. Note down children. Next children, arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. అంటే ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ని మనం ascending order లో ఎలా రాస్తాం? ఓకే children, see. See children, second problem lo first problem 5 by 8 5 by 6 1 by 2. Okay children, see first fraction is 5 by 8 5 by 6 1 by 2. First observe the denominators. Ascending order lo rayalante, first you observe the denominators. Denominators are equal or not equal? Denominators are not equal. Here 8, here denominator is 6, here denominator is 2. So these three are not equal. So then first మనం equal denominators చేయాలి. Okay children, so what is the common number of these three denominators? What is the common number of these three denominators? అంటే 8 table 6 table 2 table, ఈ 3 tables లో ఉండే నెంబర్స్ కి కామన్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి? 8 table చూడు, ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ టేబుల్ 8 1s are 8 తీసుకుందాం. సో 8 table లో వస్తుంది, 2 table వస్తుంది, 2 4s are 8, but 6 table not possible. So this is not common number. Next 8 2s are 16, 8 going 2 going, 2 8s are 16, but 6 is not divisible, that means not going. 6 table లో మనకి 16 రావాలి. Next 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 3 12s are 24. So LCM of దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటారు? LCM అంటాం అన్నమాట. LCM of 8 6 2 is equal to 24, is equal to 24. Now ఇప్పుడు each denominator equal to 24, each denominator ని 24 కి ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. సో ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది? 8 3s are 24 కదా. సో both numerator and denominator multiplication with 3. Okay children, that is equal 5 3s are 15 by 8 3s are 24. Okay, this is the first fraction. Next second one, 5 by 6 into 6, 4 to multiply చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది. 4 by 4, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Okay children, next 1 by 2, 2 ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది? 12. So both numerator and denominator multiplication with 12. 12 1s are 12 by 12 2s are 24. Now observe 10 by 24, 20 by 24, 12 by 24. So these three are, in these three fractions denominators are equal. In these three fractions, denominators are equal. 24, 24, 24. Now write ascending order. Ascending order. In ascending order, denominators equal after. First observe numerators. Which is the smallest numerator? 12. So first you write this fraction. 12 by 24. Next to 15. 15 by 24. Next 20 by 24. 20 by 24. Okay, children. Now 12 by 24 means this is the multiplication after this is the fraction. What is the before multiplication? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. That means as per question, this answer is 1 by 2. Next 15 by 24 means 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Next 20 by 24 means what is the given fraction? 5 by 6. 5 by 6. See children, మనం ఈక్వల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ వచ్చాయి. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద బిఫోర్ డినామినేటర్స్ ఈక్వల్? డినామినేటర్స్ ఈక్వల్ చేయకముందు ఏమున్నాయి మనకు ఫ్రాక్షన్స్? అవి లాస్ట్ కి అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లో రాయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, డు యు అండర్స్టాండ్? ఓకే, వన్స్ అగైన్ లిసన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. వీటి మనం అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లో రాయాలి. సో అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ లో రాయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ డినామినేటర్స్ ని ఈక్వల్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఇస్ ద కామన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ త్రీ డినామినేటర్స్? 24. Okay, so first take first fraction 5 by 8. So ఈ denominator 8 ని ఏం చేయాలి? 24 చేయాలి. కాబట్టి ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది? 3. So that's why both numerator and denominator multiplication will be 3 by 3. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. Next 5 by 6. ఇక్కడ 6 ని 4 తో చేస్తే 24 వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి 5 by 6 into 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Next 1 by 2 into 12 by 12. 12 by 2 12s are 24. Now see, here all denominators are equal. Now observe numerators. So ascending order of small to big numbers. Which is the smallest numerator? 12. That means 12 by 24. Next 15 by 24. Next 20 by 24. Okay. So what as per question, what is the fractions? 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 5 by 6. Okay children. So this is the answer. Next. See one more problem. Second one. 2 by 5, 1 by 3 and 3 by 10. Okay children, see. Here common denominators are not equal. Okay. So take first LCM of these three denominators. LCM of 5, 3, 10. So which is the common number of these three tables? 30. Yes, 30. Okay, 5 6 are 30, 3 10s are 30, 10 3s are 30. Okay children, now see 2 by 5 into 5 ఏ నెంబర్ తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 30 వస్తుంది? 5 6 are 30 కదా. 6 by 6 that is equal to 6 are 12 by 5 6 are 30. Okay, next take second fraction 1 by 3 into 10 by 10. 10 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 30 వస్తుంది. 1 10s are 10 by 3 10s are 30. Okay children, next fraction 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into 3 by 3. 3 10s are 30, 3 3s are 9. Now see children, 12 by 30, 10 by 30, 9 by 30. All denominators are equal. Now write ascending order. Ascending order. That is equal. See children, which is the first smallest number? 9. That means 9 by 30 is the first fraction. Next to 10. 10 by 30. Next to 12 by 30. 12 by 30. See children, 9 by 30. What is the in the question given fraction? In the question 9 by 30 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is less than 10 by 30 means 1 by 3 is less than 12 by 30 means 2 by 5. Okay children, so this is the ascending order of given fractions. So fractions ni ascending order lo rayalante ee process follow avali children. Okay.